A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start lecture 2 of chapter 8 application of integrals. So class, in previous lecture 1 of application of integrals, I have discussed the concepts related to AOD, application of integrals, and also completed the formula how to calculate the area bounded by of regions. So see, today I will start in lecture 2 exercise 8.1. So let us start with the question number 1. Question number 1 is, using integration find the area bounded by the curve y square is equal to x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. We have to find out the area bounded by the curve y square is equal to x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4, and the x axis in first quadrant. In first quadrant, this is the question. Now first of all I will draw the graph. Now see, solution. The given equation of curve, that is y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x. And what is y square is equal to x? In bracket I am going to write standard equation of parabola open in positive x axis symmetric about x axis and passing through origin. This is the terminologies of y square is equal to x. Now say I am going to write or draw suppose this is x axis, this is the line x axis, this is the line y axis, this is origin, and a parabola is symmetric about x axis and passing through origin and open in the positive direction of x axis. So now see, suppose this is the curve and x is equal to 1. X is equal, we have drawn y square is equal to x. Now what is x is equal to 1? See, x is equal to 1. This is first part. Second part, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. In bracket I am going to write its terminology: equation of line passing through (1, 0) and a 4, 0. And parallel to y-axis. This is the terminologies of this line. Now consider, this is the line we have drawn. This is x is equal to 1 suppose, and x is equal to 4. This is the line x is equal to 1 and this is the line x is equal to 4, and now this coordinate is 1, 0 and this coordinate is 4, 0, and now this is the first quadrant and this is the x-axis. So we have to calculate the area bounded by the curve y square is equal to x, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4. This area we have to calculate. Suppose this is the point A, B, C and D, and you have to consider elementary strips of thickness dx of length y. Now what will be the area of strips? Area of strips will be y into dx. Now see how we calculate its area. First of all, you have to write down the area in terms of integration. Since area of the region bounded by curve y square is equal to x, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4, that is area is equal to integration over, this is the y square is equal to x, this is the line x is equal to 1, this is the line x is equal to 4, and this is positive x axis and only in first quadrant, so this will be the area. So now this strip is vary from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 4, so from 1 to 4 y times dx, this is the area in terms of and you know y is equal to, from this equation you can write root x. Now you have to put from 1 to 4 root x dx, and now its calculation will be root x result is x to the power 3 by 2 whole upon 3 by 2, upper and lower limit 4 and 1, and now put its value 2 by 3 is constant, that will be outside the integral result. So I am writing here 2 by 3 upper limit, when you will put x is equal to 4 you will get 8 minus lower limit, when you will put get the result minus 1. So now 8 minus 1 7 and 7 2s are 14, 14 by 3 is square unit. This is the area bounded by curves. Now this is the answer. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number, this is question number 4 of NCERT. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse and ellipse equation is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So first of all I have to draw the figure or graph of equation of ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So see its terminology. Solution. The given equation of ellipse, that is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. And what is its terminology? This implies we can write x square by 4 square plus y square by 3 square is equal to 1. And I am going to write its terminologies. The standard equation of ellipse, or we can say equation of ellipse, whose major axis lies along x-axis having vertices coordinates coordinate is 4, 0, or we can say plus minus 4, 0, and a center is at origin. Center is at origin. Now see, and symmetric about x and y axis both. See, this is the x axis, this is y axis. So ellipse this is the equation of ellipse whose major axis lies along x axis, minor axis lies along y axis, vertices coordinate is 4, 0. This a dash coordinate will be minus 4, 0, and you know the length of major axis, that will be 8, and the length of minor axis you can say that is 0, 3 and 0, minus 3. This is B dash and this is B. So minor axis length will be 6, and this is the origin or center having coordinates 0, 0. Now we have to calculate the area of the region bounded by ellipse. This is the locus of ellipse and we have to calculate its area. How will you calculate? See, class, you know this figure is symmetric about x-axis and also y-axis both. So fourth quadrant area will be equal, if we will calculate single quadrant area and then multiply by 4 in case, so area of the first quadrant multiply by 4, result will be the area bounded by region or area of ellipse, or area of ellipse we can say that is the 4 times of area of each quadrant. So we are going to simplify area of single quadrant. Suppose I am going to write or I am going to draw elementary strips in first quadrant of thickness dx of length y, and these strips can vary from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4. Now this area we can calculate. This is B. So BOA, B, we can calculate its area. Now see, since area of region bounded by ellipse that is equal to the 4 times area of BOAB. Region BOAB. Now area of region BOAB can be written as x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4, means from 1 to 4, and y times dx. This is the area, and from the given equation you can simplify value of y. When you will simplify or when you will calculate value of y from this equation in terms of x, so what you will get the result? You will get the result y square is equal to 16 minus x square whole upon 16. This x square by 16 will go in right hand side and take LCM, you will get the result, and this is 9. Y square by 9 cross multiply, result will be this. So y result we can write y is equal to, you can write in under roots, and 9 and 16 will outside. So its result will be integration over 4 times integration over 1 to 4, and the result is 3 by 4 outside the integral. In square root, result will be 16 minus x square dx. And now we have to calculate 4 times into 3 by 4, means result will be 4 cancel, 3 times integration over 1 to 4 root over 16 minus x square dx. And now you know the formula of root over a square minus x square. Now see, since you know the formula of integration over root over a square minus x square dx, we can write x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. This is the formula. Now you can use here. So 3 times its result will be integration result, this is 16, we can write 4 square, 16 we can write 4 square, and now x by 2 result is, means x by 2 root over 16 minus x square plus a square. At the place of a square there is 16. So 16 by 2 into sine inverse x by a means result is x by 4. And now with upper and lower limit, upper limit is 4, lower limit is 1. Again see, what you will get the result after putting upper and lower limit value. So 3 times, when you will put upper limit 4, you will get 0 and plus 16 by 2 result is 8, and this is sine inverse 1, result is pi by 2. After putting upper limit, you will get 0 plus 8 times pi by 2. Now when you will put 1, this is x is equal to 0, not 1. So 0, you will get 0 result, and this result will be 0. So this is the result after putting upper and lower limit. And now 3 times, this result will be 4 pi, and the result you will get 12 pi square units. This is the answer. This is the answer. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 6. Find the area of the region in first quadrant enclosed by x-axis and the line x is equal to root 3y and the circles x square plus y square is equal to 4. So first of all we have to see these two equations. This is the equation of circle and this is the equation of line. So now to draw the figure, first of all I will write its terminologies. So given equation of circle, since x square plus y square is equal to 4 is the equation of circle whose center lies at origin, having radius two. Now see, suppose this is the circle. I have drawn greater circle. This is the circle. Equation of circle whose center lies at origin. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. And this is origin. And the line x is equal to root 3y. When you will convert in y is equal to mx plus c format, so y is equal to 1 by 3 root x and y intercept is 0. 1 by root 3 means the line is making an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So and passing through origin, the line x is equal to root 3y is the equation of line passing through origin. and making an angle of 30 degree with a positive x axis. When you will convert in y is equal to mx plus c format, so y is equal to 1 by 3 root x plus 0, y intercept is 0. So you can draw this is the line, x is equal to root 3y, and this is intersect the circle at a point, suppose any points p, q, r. Suppose this is the point B, this is the point A, and draw the perpendicular from B on x axis. Suppose this is the perpendicular. Now, how you calculate the coordinates of B? By solving x is equal to root 3 and x square plus y square is equal to 4. It means x square will be equal to 3y square. So this will be 4y square, and 4y square is equal to 4. It means y square is equal to 1. So this is in first quadrant, so y value will be 1, and the y when 1, then x will root 3. So B coordinates will be root 3 comma 1. Now see, B coordinates will be root 3 comma 1. This is the point. We have to find out the area of the region bounded by, in first quadrant enclosed by x axis. This is x axis, this is the line, and this is the curve. So this area we have to calculate. This whole area we have to calculate. To calculate this area, first of all I will draw a strip that is varying from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2, because this is the center or radius of circle. So 2 comma 0 will be the coordinates, and this is 0 0, and the length of strip consider y. So now area of the figure or area of the shaded part area of the region is equal to, we can write area of OL, this is L, suppose OLB, OLBO plus area of LBAL, LBAL. Now see, area of region we can write, this is the curve, y is equal to x by root 3, x by root 3 means from 0 to L. The curve we have to integrate 0 to L, x by root 3, and this is the equation of circle. So from x is equal to 0 to, at the point L, x coordinate is root 3. So from 0 to root 3, this is x by root 3 dx. Now plus from root 3 to 2. This is the curve of circle, and the value of y will be 16 minus x square. dx. This part we have to integrate. This part you know, its integration result will be x square by 2. So 1 by root 3 is outside the integral, or x square by 2. Root 3 0, upper and lower limit, and its value you know, this is x by 2 root over 16 minus x square plus a square by 2 means 16 by 2, sin inverse x by a means x by 4, and lower limit is root 3, upper limit is 2. Now when you will put upper limit, you will get 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 times root 3 and minus 0 and plus. When you will put lower limit, you will get 0 and plus. When you will put 2, then what you will get the result? This result is 4. See, equation of circle is 4 minus x square. So this will be 4 and this will be 4 by 2, and x by a result will be 2. Now see, when you will put x is equal to 2, you will get 0 and plus 2 times sin inverse 1 and minus, this is upper limit, and minus lower limit root 3. What you will get the result? You will get root 3 by 2 and plus root 3 is here, so root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means sin pi by 3. So pi by 3 will be here. 2 times pi by 3 means 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 closed. Now see, this result will be area of region is equal to, this result is 3 by 2 root 3 and plus this result will be pi by 2. So sin 90, sin pi by 2, sin inverse result will be pi minus this calculation minus root 3 by 2 and minus 2 pi by 3. This calculation goes to root 3 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2 this calculation plus pi minus 2 pi by 3. This will cancel out and the result, its result will be pi minus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, and after solving result you will get pi by 3 square units. So answer pi by 3 square units. This is the answer. Now this question is completed. Now again see, we have to calculate area of the region bounded by curves. This is the circle, this is the line, and this is the axis. Through this region, between this region we have to calculate area. So you will calculate with the help of integration, and this area we can divide into two parts, that is OLBO and BLAB. This is area of triangle. Area of triangle also we can solve by using integration, and result is 3 by 2 root 2, 2 root 3. After solving, This calculation result you will get pi by 3. Now this is completed.